I'm Advocate Iris Rodrigues. It has been a privilege to be able to be present at the exposition of Saint Francis Xavier and pay respects to the great saint, the patron saint of Goans. All the arrangements done here for the exposition are extremely good, outstanding. They have been able to make the arrangements to perfection. I wish the entire team that has worked to put up this great exposition arrangements all the very best, and it is a great privilege for Goans and the rest from all over the world to be attending this great exposition. Hats off to the organizers, and may God bless all the organizers and their family.